It's another day. Guess what we're doing today? We are checking out FORMAN Nails, clothing factory warehouse. All the things that you need in this season, all their discounts, I'm giving you. All the 411. You're welcome. Entrance. Okay, apparently, so this is the clearance section. $20, $5, and you can like get 2-piece sets here for children, I believe. Yeah. Clearance, $15 from $29 to $15. Top and bottom. So sweat sets. These are cute. If you have teenagers, if you have kids this age, 10 to like 14, they can definitely fit these. Then they have sweaters, which I think is cute. And guess how much it is? It's 2 for $12 for these hoodies. Navy blue. And guess how much they are? $6.98. These are just casual, you know, clothes to work out in when you go into the gym. You have it in green and also in brown. Now these shirts are 7 for $12. Wait. Are you telling me 7 of these shirts for $12? Oh snap. Literally 7 of this for $12. So if you have somebody that even designs t-shirts, or maybe you have a sports team at your work, you want to do like team building situation, you can come here and get it. I mean, they're not the best quality, clearly, but they are cheap. If it's just a one-day thing that you need it for, then this is the place. And these also are the same 7 for $12. But these are long sleeve shirts. These are 6 for $12. A whole section here for children. I think it's nice. So if you got any babies, I need to come here and shop for all my friends that have babies. These are the cutest ever. Man. Designer babies. Section was 6, 6.5, which is my shoe size, and these are all the options. These are not really my style of sneakers. Well, I'm not looking for sneakers today. I'm looking for, these are cute. I'm looking for some heels, actually. Wonderful. I'm actually looking for a rug to put in my bedroom, and these are not expensive like I thought it would be. 60 by 84. And it's $40. 5 by 6. 21. Look at these colors. I might have to come back. I wish they had this in like black. That's what I really want. Because the one I have in my bedroom right now, it's not big enough, and I need one that's wide enough to take up the whole space. This is the junior section. something very specific. But they have a lot of casual outfits and not as much dressy outfits. I have these leather pants, and I really just wanted a blouse. It's a little bit too hoochie for me, baby. It's a bit too hoochie for me, baby. Like, this looks like a bedroom clothes. Oh, wow. And this is a leotard. I like the fabric. I actually like these. It's the leotard pieces. The black ones. I really like the nude colors. Yeah. Cute. But it won't work. When I say I'm looking for something specific, I'm literally looking for something very specific.
Good brand.
Uh-huh. If you're thinking about hosting some karaoke at your house, you need speakers, shoulder straps, remote control, multicolor flashing lights, built-in handle. Connect 2 disco speakers at the same time for bigger sound. This is dope. It's $40. Bluetooth, of course. A really nice electronic section. Oh, nightlight, 2 USB portals, wall charger. That ain't bad. And then it has the USB stuff up here and your regular socket. And then there's this. $12.99. I don't think that's bad at all. Another type of speaker. Tailgate wireless party speaker. Ooh, I have one of these. Somebody actually got me this one for Christmas last year at my job. We had like a Secret Santa. This one is $49.99. Yeah, this one is expensive. They got money. They got money. These speakers seem to be like everywhere. $39.99. This thing is very dusty though. So if you're looking for speakers, make sure you come out here and check it out on FORMAN Mills. The box may be dusty, but at least you'll get what you need, right? If you're thinking about hosting some karaoke at your house, you need speakers, shoulder straps, remote control, multicolor flashing lights, built-in handle. Connect 2 disco speakers at the same time for bigger sound. This is dope. It's $40. Bluetooth, of course. A really nice electronic section. Oh, nightlight, 2 USB portals, wall charger. That ain't bad. And then it has the USB stuff up here and your regular socket. And then there's this. $12.99. I don't think that's bad at all. Another type of speaker. Tailgate wireless party speaker. Ooh, I have one of these. Somebody actually got me this one for Christmas last year at my job. We have like a Secret Santa. This one is $49.99. Yeah, this one is expensive. They got money. They got money. These speakers seem to be like everywhere. $39.99. This thing is very dusty though. So if you're looking for speakers, make sure you come out here and check it out on FORMAN Mills. The box may be dusty, but at least you'll get what you need, right? And then for all my YouTubers who are starting out and you're looking for a ring light, you have this unicorn ring light, 8-inch diameter. Inline remote control, 360 rotation, 3 color temperatures, 10 brightness levels, perfect for vloggers and influencers. Adjustable clamps, compatible with any cell phone. That's not bad. I mean, I already have a ring light, but if you're just starting out and you're looking for ring lights, this one is 50% off as well. And it's only $14.99. I don't think that's bad at all. They have this heart-shaped one. So if you know a teenager that's starting out and you want to gift them some ring lights, definitely. PD Central Pro Electric Foot File. Battery operated. Interesting. That's not bad. Not bad at all. For all my gamers and grip jewelry. And then they even have this keyboard. Wired LED gaming keyboard. Built for performance, designed for gaming. That's pretty dope. And it's only $12.99. LED backlight. So for all my gamers, got you covered. Headphones as well. This is cute. And then they're really good with this soap section as well. Like authentic Dove soap, right? But for a cheap price, it's only $2.99. Not bad. Interesting. Just for people who box or something. Pillow. Massage pillow when you're driving. It's only $19.99. This one is $89.99. Foot massager. Let's not forget it's Black History Month, and FORMAN Mills got you covered with all things Black history. I mean, these graphic tees are pretty dope. The time is always right to do what is right. Martin Luther King. Black history is American history, and that's on period. I am Black history every day. I love that. Strong, black, and proud. What's up? But these are nice. Happy Black History Month, by the way, guys. Black King. I wish the design was a bit different, but that's nice though. What does this say? That which does not kill me can only make me stronger. Ain't that the truth? Black crowd. Unapologetically. Raise your voice. And of course, we're not leaving the ladies out. Yeah, it's kind of long. Black crowd, unapologetically. Celebrating my culture all year. Black history. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. And that's on period.